Because today I will be showing you how to make your own song for two birds on a wire. Because today I will be. First go to YouTube. First go to YouTube. First go to YouTube. First go to YouTube. Type two birds on a wire. 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 Download Audiolab. Download Audiolab. Download Audiolab. Download Audiolab. Scroll down to a voice changer. Scroll down to voice changer. Scroll down to a voice changer. Scroll down to voice changer. Pick your song. Pick your song. Pick your song. Pick your song. Scroll until you find cathedral and underwater. Scroll until you find cathedral and underwater. And then you